I'm Abigail McWaters-Golub, and I'm an associate professor in marine conservation, and I work on plankton and policy. So the work that I've used for the impact case study is about how changes in plankton, which are microscopic plants and animals in the sea, can tell us about changes in the wider marine environment. And this is important because we have to be able to understand how marine ecosystems are changing so that we can understand how to prepare for those changes and how to manage those changes. So if we see a change in the plankton, it's the very base of the marine food web, and that can tell us about changes we can expect in other parts of the marine food web. And alternately, if we see a change in the plankton, that could tell us about changes being caused by human pressures like fishing or nutrients, or indirect human pressures like increasing sea surface temperature. This research has been really important for policy and management. So the UK government has to report on different policy targets for the UK and also internationally for the Sustainable Development Goals and the Convention on Biological Diversity. So the work that we've been doing on plankton can provide evidence that we can use to assess changes in the UK marine ecosystem that will help us assess or report to these kind of policy drivers. So we can determine, for example, if our plankton are in good environmental status, and if they're still supporting the ecosystem services that humans need in the UK. So the work that I'm doing is really important to our understanding of biodiversity. By understanding how changes in plankton at the very bottom of the marine food web affect changes in wider marine biodiversity, that can help us understand what to expect from these ecosystem services. So what that means for the fish that we depend on for a protein source, or for carbon cycling, or even oxygen production.